Okay, she's all in. It's a 4-foot rise, and it's about, it's a good 4 feet off the ground there too. So it's got a clean out for removing ash. Oh no, how does it go? I've forgotten how like that. There. Actually got silicone stretch tape. And also on here, there's a joint right there. I haven't taped these. We'll see. I don't care if it smokes on the outside. If it's really bad, I'll come back out and do it. Oh, that's it. It's all in.